Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I went ahead and I received my Boxycharm for the month of October. You'll have to excuse me that I'm not in full face or nothing at all. So yeah, so let's, with further ado, let's jump right in. So the first thing I see in here is this GRWM Lace and Peel Black and Bamboo Charcoal Mask. And it has two steps. So essentially it comes with a little tube. And you put some on your face, whatever's in that tube, and then you put the lace over it as compression. So that's basically all it does, and it'll just pull out everything on your face that shouldn't be there, you know what I mean? Yeah, because I totally sound like I know what I'm talking about. So that's like the first product that I've got, and then I'm kind of scared to try it out because I have such a hairy face and I feel like it's going to pull off my hair. Excuse me? So that's the first product down. Okay, so the second product that I got is this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I like the tube. I have received this before in Ipsy, but in a fun size. So this is the tube, and it feels a lot heavier than it looks. Like it is pretty sturdy, and this is supposed to extend your lashes and to make them look fantastic. And I'll tell you what, like, it made my eyelashes real pretty, really nice. I liked it a lot. So yes, I have tried this product. I just wish it was waterproof because I'm more of a waterproof kind of gal, because my eyes, they water all the time just because I have like really bad allergies, and so that's a tendency of happening with me. And we have it in super black. The next one that I got is this Kat Von D lipstick. I think it's matte. And they do put this little dash on the barcode so that you can try to return it. And my color is in Bow and Arrow. I really like the packaging. It's nice and sleek. I wish it was kind of a little bit thicker because this feels very stiletto-y, like really thin. You know what I mean? But this is the color. It's so pretty. I don't really like mattes, but I'll tell you what, this is the perfect shade for my skin tone. I love it, absolutely love it. The formula was so creamy, so beautiful, and I would actually repurchase this, quite honestly. Alright, the next one that we have is this Briogeo like leave-in conditioner mask. And I tried this last night, and it smelled really good, but as soon as I put it in my hair, it like completely vanished. I like hair masks, but I like them in a little tub so that I could just like leave it in while I shower, or just, you know, relax at home and just have it in my hair. But this is, it's just a spray in, so it doesn't last as long as I would want it to, but it smells really nice. But I honestly can't say like, wow, it left so much moisture in my hair. Like, I didn't feel that, so I don't know if I didn't use enough, because I do have a crap ton of hair. Like, it's so much hair. It's ridiculous how much hair I have. Like, oh look, this is how it oxidized. It looks darker, and I kind of like that. So what I want to go ahead and do now is I'm going to try to show y'all like the palette that I ended up receiving, but to do a makeup look. So this is the last product that I received, is this Pure Midnight Masquerade palette, and I think this one would set you back $32, I want to say. And you get, he's slamming it, you get all these colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a makeup look with this, you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's jump right in. I don't know if some of you, I'm sure some of you are married, but sometimes husbands make it very difficult to record when they're home because, I don't know, it's just awkward. So I'm going to go in with my foundation. I just mixed it on here because I don't have my right shade, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this, and yeah, go from there. I probably don't even have the right shade for this, but you know, it's okay. I'm just trying on makeup, so there's no rules to makeup. You know, girl power. Alright, so I've got my foundation on, and now I'm going to go in and set it. This has Dermablend on it, but in fact it is the Rimmel Stay Matte powder from Walmart, which is for like $5. I'm going to go in with my crown brush here. I'm not going to say what brush it is because I'm not that special, but it just looks like this, and I'm just going to pack it into my face. So I took a little too much, but that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to press it into the areas where I feel like I sweat the most. And I know it looks crazy, but it's not going to come together. Or at least it does for me. So, yeah. I'm going to finish this up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, and I've got this Eye Enhancers by CoverGirl. This is probably expired, but I still use the crap out of it. And I just dab my brush into it. I actually have a makeup tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, which is probably irrelevant, but I thought I'd mention it for those of y'all who are curious to see how I do my brows. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna do my brows, then I'll be right back. Alright, so my brows are done. Now it's time to do the makeup look with some of the I think I want to try the bronzer. Let's try that. I hear that this is quite like pigmented, so I'm going to try to use a very light hand. Okay, I don't know what brush this is. IBY Beauty, so something like that. And I'm going to go in with this color. Sure. Oh, that smells good. It's like this palette went trick-or-treating and sat on the candy. Like, that's what it smells like to me. Oh yeah, that's there. That's there. What are y'all gonna be for Halloween? Do y'all dress up for Halloween? Do y'all not dress up for Halloween? As a little kid, I think I celebrated Halloween like once, and I think I was Pocahontas. I was gonna say Pocahontas. One of the second jobs or third jobs that I had was working at an IHOP, and there was this one guy that said I look like Pocahontas. He's like, but I'm gonna nickname you Pocahontas. And I was like, that's creative. Okay. But anyways, it's probably irrelevant. And the funny thing about it is, when I was little, I was Pocahontas. Yeah. Legit kind of freaked out. But anyways, my mom made me Pocahontas when I was little. Well, she didn't make me. I wanted to be Pocahontas because my hair was long. Like, it was down to my butt. You know? Alright, so that's the bronzer. I'm just curious. Comment down below what you're going to be for Halloween. Not that it really matters that, you know, people are really going to come to this channel. But still, I'm curious, and I want to know what all 71 of you are going to be. Anyways, alright, now I'm going to do the blush. Okay, I'm going to use this Glamour Dolls brush by, what is this? Y'all are going to kill me in the comments for this. Is she on here? Lisa Frank. By Lisa Frank. Okay, so what we're going to do, I think I want to try the reveal. Let's be, you know, crazy. The last time that I went on here, I kind of just rushed through it and the music was all messed up or whatever, but this time I was like, I kind of want to converse with them, talk with them, and just, I don't know, get a feel for this a little bit. And then we'll see how I do. And if it doesn't do anything big, then I just won't do this again. And I'll just be quiet and... No! I tapped it too. Y'all see me tap it. Well, I don't know if I tapped it, did I? No, girl. You were too much. Don't be extra. Come on. Blend out. Blend out. Yeah, this is not blending. She's not listening to me. She's like, you wanted to go all out? Fine. There you are. Going all out. Okay, we're coming in strong now. We're going to use this guy from Real Techniques. I don't know what kind of brush this is, but whatever it is, I hope it comes through and it does the job. Okay, yeah, that's better. Okay, anyways, now for the big, no, we're gonna do highlight last. Remind me to do highlight, okay? Alright, so there's like no transition colors in this. Well, maybe this one, but I'm gonna set my eyes and then I'm gonna do some of these colors. We'll see. Oh, I don't know. We're gonna see. Alright, hang on a second. Alright, this is last month's palette and I'm gonna use this one to set my whole lid, okay? Okay, now my eyelids are set and I'm gonna see what colors I wanna go in with now. Ooh. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this guy right here, Sneak Peek. Let's see. And I'm gonna work that into the lid as the transition shade. I'm dark enough, right? So, can y'all hear me? Probably not. Alright, I'm looking dead, but it's okay. I'm gonna add some color to it now. I think I'm gonna wear blue today. So, I'm gonna go in with a blue eyeshadow. Let's see. Oh, it was right in front of me. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go in with this brush. I don't know where it's from. Forget the brand. E-Tools, I think is what it's called. This mirror is so small, it's making life very difficult. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with that Showtime color. And I'm gonna do that all over the lid. No, not all over it, just maybe the outer corner of my, oh my god. Ooh. Yes. That's real pretty. I gotta say, I like that on my lid. I'm gonna turn this way because I feel like you guys can't see that. That's real pretty. I'm having a little bit of fallout, like cualquier nadita. Yes. Wow, this is real pretty. That's real pretty. Except right here, I need to blend this out because that's looking a little muddy. And I'm gonna do the other eye. Do y'all have any creepy stories that's ever happened to you guys now that we're like close to Halloween? My husband is a Halloween baby. He was born on Halloween. And I think that is so cool. But anyways, I don't have any creepy story times for y'all today. I think my mom may watch this video and be like, you have creepy stories? My mom's so cute. Okay, here we are. What do y'all think? Alright, I'm gonna blend that out because I do my makeup like a person that doesn't know what they're doing. I don't know what I'm doing, so yeah, don't feel bad. Okay. I forgot what brush I used. Oh yeah, this Ipsy Miss Glam Bag. Glam Bag? Why did I say Glam Bag? I'm gonna add some more of that brown back into that blue because I think it made it look really pretty. Yes, girl. Oops. That looks bad right there. Okay, I'm taking forever. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Mask Off, this one right here, and I'm gonna put it on my inner, like this right here. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back because this video is gonna turn out really, really long, and people already don't watch my videos, so yeah. Okay, so this is what I came up with. I just put that greenish brown on this part of my eye. And now I'm going to go in with Exposed. I think this might kill it for me, but I kind of just want to try all the colors. So I'm gonna put it here in my inner tear duct. Hey, you know, that's not that bad. That's okay. I am mad at that. Okay, so I think that's it for the eyes. I'm not gonna mess with them anymore. I'll probably just put on that mascara, try it out, and then come back and talk with you guys. And then I'll do the highlight. So I will be right back once I've used this IT Cosmetics mascara. Okay, so I kind of remember as to why I kind of like this mascara. It doesn't have like a wet formula. It's somewhat kind of dry. So I did like that about the IT Cosmetics mascara, because you can obviously build it and it's really pretty. Do you see this? I just remember that I like plastered it on more, but being that I have my husband and he probably thinks that I'm taking way too long to do this face because he thinks I'm naturally beautiful. I'm gonna try to hurry it up, and I just didn't put that much on. Maybe it is a lot, I don't know. But now I'm gonna try and do my eyeliner, and then I'm gonna come back and do the highlight and then the lipstick. Okay, so I've done the eyeliner, and it was very hard for me to like put it over the eyeshadow. I don't know as to why it's so difficult, but moving on. I used the waterproof Maybelline liquid eyeliner, but now we're gonna go into Twilight, and I have used this already and I thought it was really pretty. There we go. Probably can't see it, my house is really dark. Here we are. I'm gonna put some on the nose. That's pretty. I dig it. And there's the highlight. I really like it. It's very pretty. It has a gold sheen to it. Okay, the eyeshadows were really pretty. I like them a lot too. They're really creamy, really pigmented, but not a bad thing to say about them at all. Now I'm going to do the lips, so I'm going to use this not Urban Decay, wow, the Kat Von D lipstick. So I'm going to apply some of it, and then I'll be right back. Ooh. Okay, so this is the final look. I really like the lipstick a lot, you guys. So stinking much. This color, I think it looks perfect. It doesn't wash me out at all. Well, at least I feel like that, because I've had several before where they feel like they're too light for me, and this is just perfect. It's a perfect nude, and it's not sticky, you guys. This is the best formula I've ever tried throughout any lipstick. So, I mean, it's way up there for me, because I've tried several matte lipsticks where you go like this and they still stick together, like your lips still stick together, and that's not what matte is about. But this one is beautiful. It's stunning. I love it. It goes great with my, you know, with my skin tone. Just, I absolutely love it. I can't say anything negative about it. Well, besides it being so skinny, but other than that, like, I love it. But anyways, this is the makeup look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm so very sorry if I made it too long. And if y'all aren't interested in videos like this, then I'll move on. I'll try going back to the, you know, the short ones where it's just fast forwarded with music in the background. Yeah, so anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, yeah, so